I am ready.
Hey y'all, it's Linda Carswell, the Sewing and Vacuum Authority, coming to you from Bernina University in Palm Springs, California. What an exciting time. Y'all, we have had the most wonderful week. Tiffany from Quilt Quarters and I have been here. We want to introduce you to our new favorite machine, which you'll have to get in line behind the two of us because we both want one. It is so cute. This is the Kaffe Special Edition 475. And it's a great companion to anybody who has a 770. It's too heavy to carry to class. This is going to be my class, my Sunday sew machine. Comes with a fabric bundle, a cover, and a rolling bag. So very excited about that. And then we also have to scoot around this way. Ta-da! The biggie is the 770 Kaffe Edition. 475 comes with built-in exclusive Kaffe stitches. The 770 comes with embroidery designs and regular stitches that are Kaffe exclusive, and they are awesome. You also get the fabric bundle, the luggage. If you buy the full set with the module, which we're not calling an embroidery module anymore, it is now called a quilting module for you quilters, and this is a quilter's machine. We'll tell you all about it when we get back, but we just wanted to show you a little bit about the excitement that we're feeling this week, and we will be taking deposits on these machines. They probably won't be ready until October, but I know you'll be as excited as we are. So good to see y'all. See you when we get back. Bye.